Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57 and I'm here to tell you about another nail lamp review, and this one is this is also by Nat Plus. This one is the Nature3, so it's a little smaller. It's a 24-watt lamp. Okay, and it says 2-in-1 LED UV lamp with 12. This one has the 12 light bulbs. I'm going to go ahead and open it and check it out. This one is also available on Amazon, very well packaged and individually wrapped on the bubble wrap. So this one is very curious because it comes with two USB cables. Now, let's see, I don't know, let's take a measure of these or unravel them and see if they're exactly the same or not. Okay, so here I have unraveled both cords, and this is the two different ends from the two different cables. And I noticed they're not exactly the same length. This other one is probably about 3 or 4 inches longer. What difference will that make? I don't know, but yeah, they might as well be the same. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and plug this in. It did come with its user manual with instructions. And these lamps, they have a 12-month warranty. Yes, it says they offer a 12-month, 1-year warranty, so that's good. Now, before I plug it in, so this doesn't start coming in, you can see here the 12 lights. It's black on the inside. It's well ventilated there. And these bulbs are positioned so that on the side here, it's able to catch your thumbs. And here, these are the sensors, so very low on the lamp. That's nice. So this doesn't have a tray. It might as well be a portable lamp, and with it having a USB cord, yeah, that's nice for travel. This is very light. I mean, it's not flat, it doesn't fold or anything, but it really doesn't take much room. Okay, and it has the 120 seconds, 90 seconds, and 60 seconds. So let's go ahead and plug this in and see how it works. I now have it plugged in. There are no LEDs or any other lights on the outside to let you know. I mean, I'm pressing the buttons and I can see it flashing coming on, so there's no way to tell what is this set up for unless you put your hand in there. So and the minimum number is 60 seconds, or that's 1 minute, it's the minimum. So I see how it makes, so it is on right now. I don't know if you can tell. And if I press it again, it makes it go off. But I'll go ahead and put my hand in here, and that makes it come on with the sensors. There's no LED doing a countdown. I do want to measure here so you can see the space of on the front where you insert your hand. That's at 5.5 inches. But then from here to what will be the bottom of your desk, or if you have this, so if this was to have a tray, there from the bottom, I mean, I'm using a piece of cardboard. Click it in there to the top edge on the center of that entry right there is 3 full inches. I do want to use this opportunity to tell you about Maffy gel polishes. This is a mini one, so it's a 6 ml bottle, and this one is map001, which is black. Great consistency. I do like the viscosity on these gels, especially blacks are great for fine lines and drawing, and they make an excellent this base makes an excellent base for chromes and chameleon powders. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch it on this tip right here and also use it to give the lamp a test. Okay, now that my minute has passed, let's go ahead and give this a test. And yes, it is very well cured right there. Now this does have a tacky layer, so this gel polish does require a top coat for ideal shine and finished. So here's the nail after it cured with the top coat, and let's give it a test. And yes, it is fully cured there now that it has no inhibition layer because we finished it with the top coat. So very good polish, very good black polish there, as well as very good performance with this lamp curing my black polish. Alright guys, so now after I've had a chance to play with the lamp in the different settings, let me tell you what is different about this lamp, okay? Because unlike other lamps that I have, These are not to preset the timing, okay? The 60 seconds, 90, 120, it's not a preset. These will be like on life or real life settings, okay? So what do I mean by that? What I mean is that I do have some lamps where, let's say, if once I press the 60-second button, every time I insert my hand and the lights come on, it's always 60 seconds and it goes off automatically. Okay, that is not the case with this one. No matter what I might have pressed last, when I insert my hand and it comes on automatically because of the sensors, it's going to stay on. It will not go off automatically unless I remove my hand, okay? So that is good for flash curing. And when you're using swatches, you go in and out. Let me turn my light off. You notice, see? It has those sensors. It goes in and out. But no matter which of these I might press, I can keep my hand in here and that light is going to stay on as long as I keep my hand in there, okay? Now if you do want a countdown on this lamp, what you will have to do is you press your timing, 60 seconds, 90 seconds, or 120. Let's say I want it for 1 minute. You see it's on. Then I insert my hand, and at that point it's counting down. It will go off automatically after the countdown of whatever you push the button here for, okay? I hope that makes sense. So let me go ahead and wait here. And there it went off automatically. Let me turn my light back on. So yeah, another nifty little lamp here. Basic features, something good for starters. It runs around under $20. Again, Amazon, and I will have the link down in the description bar below. If you guys have any questions about this lamp, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. I hope you guys liked my review. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.